Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about YTEvolution, how it works, its purpose, and what it does. So YTEvolution is a WordPress theme and two custom plugins that all works together to create automated websites from either your own YouTube content, your client's YouTube channels, or anybody else's YouTube channels that allows embedding of their videos. Now you can see this website here. I just made this a couple days ago and it's running completely on autopilot now. I did have a logo made for it, and I also made these banners to put on the site and added this background image, which you'll be able to do on your site as well. You can customize it however you want to, just like any other WordPress website. But you can see down here we have a banner slider added. We have several posts on the home page. It all looks really professional. And if we go inside of one of these posts, you'll be able to see the content that was automatically created and put together for this. So this here is the title that got imported, which was the video title from YouTube. We have some social icons. We can see the video that got imported. And down here we have some banners and links you can also customize to add your own. And then we have some content down here that got imported automatically hands-free using our YTEvo Curator plugin. And this helps to make each WordPress post that it automatically creates with videos a little more unique, helping them to rank better in Google and other search engines. Now you also have the option to import the YouTube video description that would show up right here underneath these links. And if you're importing maybe your own YouTube channel and you want to have all those links showing up, you can do that. Or maybe your client site, you can do that as well. But what I want to do is take you inside of the dashboard and kind of show you how this works. Okay, so here we are. You're going to see on the left-hand side two plugins, one called YTEvolution, one called YTEvo Curator. Both of these are going to be included with your purchase. The YTEvo Curator plugin, it gets content from Ezine articles based on the category you select, and it randomly takes snippets from different articles and it posts it on every new post that it creates on your website. You can also set up the YTEvo Curator to work with Spin Rewriter if you have access to it. So all the content it imports from Ezine articles will also get spun before it gets posted. Now the YTEvolution plugin, we'll go ahead and click on it. So this is where you're going to go search for YouTube channels and playlists. Now what I normally do is I'll just come up to channels and playlists. And you can see here I have several channels already added to my website. And if I come over here, you can see where some of them are set up to auto sync. And what that means is that anytime they upload a new video to their YouTube channel, this YTEvolution theme is going to check for it every day. And when it finds it, it's going to create a brand new WordPress post with that video, and it's going to add content to it, all hands-free on its own. Now, if I want to add a new channel for it to sync up to, all I have to do is click on Add New. And I can search here by YouTube channel or playlist. I usually just search by YouTube channel, and then here you can enter a YouTube channel name, a username, a channel ID, or even a keyword based on your niche or topic. And it's going to pull back all these different channels that are related to that, or the ones that match the closest. And then over here on the right hand side, you can see where you can save the YouTube channel, and you can also make sure it sets for auto syncing for new videos. So if we was to scroll down here and say we wanted to add this channel, which has 448 videos, we could come over here and click on Save YouTube Channel. I'm not going to do that because this one is actually a different language. We'll go down to this channel here. It has 53 videos. We'll click on Save. It's called Crypto Casey. And then we'll go back to our dashboard, to my channels and playlists. And it's right here, Crypto Casey, and you can see over here it's set to auto sync. We're going to open it up, and it shows you right here there's 60 videos it found on this channel. We can see what each one of those videos are, and then from here we can manually add these videos one by one as a separate WordPress post to our website. Or if we wanted to add all 60 videos, we can do that. Over here you can see here where you can add up to 50 at a time. We'll just go ahead and choose 50, and then I can click Publish All, and it's going to create a new WordPress post out of every one of these videos and add it to our website. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose one, and publish it, and we can view it afterwards. And you can see it created a new post. Here's the title. Here's the video it embedded. We have our links automatically right here. And then we have it set up to import the YouTube description, which we can turn this off. And you can see it imported all this content here with the YouTube description. And if we get to the bottom of that, you're going to see the content that was added to it from our Curator plugin. So it has a ton of content on it. So this is the members area for YTEvolution. This is what you're going to see when you first join a welcome video. You can join our Facebook group. You can even have one of these sites set up for you if you want, and you can get your affiliate link to promote this product. Now there's the done for you service link up at the top. There's the main YTEvolution training. So if we jump in here, you're going to see these videos. These are the videos you need to watch in order to get your website set up and running. Now, if you did purchase the upsell, the YTEvo Cloaker, that's going to be accessed here. You'll also be able to access your bonuses here. You're going to be able to get frequently asked questions and help here, as well as be able to contact me directly right here. And before I forget, we did add some extra training to this down here at the bottom to teach you how to index your website and your posts within a matter of just a few days, as well as boosting your rankings. So that's it for YTEvolution. If it's something you guys want, pick it up right now. It's $97. You get access to everything I just showed you. The theme, both plugins, all the training. You also get unlimited use. You can install this on as many sites as you want to. You get commercial rights with it, and that means you are able to sell this to clients or even start your own service up where you create these types of sites and you sell them, making an easy $100 to $200 per website. Be sure to check out the FAQs at the bottom of this page. They may answer more questions that you may have.